Hey y'all, hope all is well. I want you to look at something. Yep. Chopped up an onion and a bell pepper and covered it with a little bit of Lowry seasoning salt. Here in about 20 minutes or so, I'm going to be putting a couple of these in there. Now, I don't have the fancy burger buns to go with them, but it'll be just as good on bread. Stick around. We'll see how it turns out. Just put the frozen patties in there. It's going to be pretty darn good. I know I use onion quite a lot, but someone gave me some fresh vegetables out their garden, so I'm going to use them in my food. I don't know why I'm talking funny, but you know. We're going to throw the lid on that and let that simmer up for a little while. See ya. It smells great in here. Anyway, always does. Back in a moment. Alright, I just flipped those over. Put a little bit of Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce on them. And those are about done here in just about 2.5 minutes. Tonight I used Lowry seasoning salt and some of this Sweet Baby Ray's. I didn't use the garlic salt like I thought I would. But it ain't them fancy buns, but hey, I get to have me some really good burgers. Got the pepper jack cheese. It's a Monterey Jack cheese with jalapeno in it, and of course a fresh mater. Yeah. Give me a minute. Boy, I tell you what. If this ain't turning out to be the perfect way to make these burgers, I mean, yeah. I'm just gonna put that directly. Wait. Let's cover that cheese with this first. And of course that's going to take me 35 daggone minutes using this method. Y'all didn't see that. I don't know why I haven't already turned that off. That be splattering. Oh yeah, it's a little warm on the back of the finger there. Y'all gotta watch them pans. Them edges get warm too, huh? There we go. Look at that. That's yeah. Daggum, all over the counter. That's dinner tonight. This smells amazing. I'm really hungry. I'm gonna go ahead and dig in. I hope all is well, and until next time, happy trails.